All right, guys. So me and JD, we're gonna make a challenge. We're coming out here, picking our baits, and we're gonna try to catch fish on those baits. We've already decided we're gonna go with the color that we haven't fished before.
Pink.
So we're getting this pink one right here, pink and white, and where's it at? Right here.
There.
White and blue. See who catches the fish first on a new color. Ooh, okay. All right, y'all. Hey, we'll see y'all out there in the water. Peace out. All right, Vatos Locos for Life essays.
I'm like
We're gonna run 2 challenges today.
2 challenges.
We brought a guest in the house. Non-fishing boy. All right, like I said last time, when we were at Walmart, remember?
Yeah, I remember we were at.
So you got the blue one,
I got the blue one.
and I got the pink one.
And who
catches the first fish
on these
is the winner of that. The other challenge is whoever catches 2 fish. 2 fish. Whoever catches 2 fish, that's the second challenge, is the winner.
Okay, so what does the winner get?
The loser pays for everybody's lunch.
Oh.
We're already ready. Jadiela's rigged up. I'm rigged up. Aiden's rigged up. At 3. 1, 2, 3. Got one. I won the first challenge. 2 is gonna be the next one. Oh, it's a largemouth. He is very, very pale. First fish, guys. He's a little pale. Oh, holy shit. Oh, man. Aiden caught one. It's a largemouth. Yeah. It's a bass. Ooh. Boy, Aiden. That's what's up, man. Aiden caught another one. All right. I got the first challenge. Aiden won the second one. It's all good. We're just here to have a good time. We're gonna keep on fishing. Technically, I got them, every single one. You're using my gear. Really? That boy's on a roll. Ooh, you're officially a man, dude. Congratulations. That boy Aiden. Yeah, that's what's up.
Oh, he would have came off too.
For real?
He barely on there.
I need to tighten up that drag. That's what's up, boy. All right. Man, where the hell? Jadil. Okay, come here. I think I found him. Look at this. Look at this big old crappie. Jadil, come here. Come here, babe. Look at that. Look at the slab on that. Look at that big crappie. Come on. Right in the middle. Look. Let me show you. Right there. Right in the middle. And then bring it in slow. Yes, sir. Hold on. Let me leave. Don't hook me. Caught this big old crappie, boy. Well,
We want to go to a different spot?
yeah.
Okay, we'll meet y'all there.
All right, guys, we're gonna let him go. We really didn't catch him today. Slow. Bye, fish.
I see it still.
You see it?
Yeah. Wait. It's gone.
He's gone.
Now.
We're gonna go somewhere else.
I hope we catch a lot of fish. We'll meet y'all there. Bye.
What's up, guys? We came back here to the original OG spot. But there isn't no fish out here. Ain't nothing biting. Get my nibbles, bro. Come on, reach in there.
I'm gonna fall.
We only caught this little one. That was funny, right? Right? That was funny.
I'm gonna get my Jordans dirty. Look at that.
Those ain't no J's, boy. Those are Payless shoes.
And that ain't a fish. That's a minnow.
Man, ain't nothing biting out here. Jadiel, here. Hurry. Hurry, here. Just put it down. Just put it down. Just put it down. Hurry. Woo. That way, he's trying to get in. More. Yeah, same one. I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry. It's not your day today. But it's okay. Hey, we'll come back. We'll do it again. Okay? Listen. Oh, I got one. Thank you. Hey, we can come back another day, okay? Just... Uh-oh. Here, Jadiel. Leave it. Just leave it. Put it on the floor. Leave it alone. I don't care. You don't have to reel it in. Go. Fast. Don't leave no slack on it. Up. Yeah. Up. Keep reeling. There you go. We're gonna land this one. There you go. You didn't get skunked today. Here you go, buddy. With two hands, brother. Put a little bit down so I can get your face.
It's so little.
Let me see. Oh, give him a little kiss before you say goodbye. Come on, you used to do it. Bye, fish. What's up, bro?
Where the nipples at?
The nipples?
Nipples.
They're right there. Here. Here you go, Vato. I got fish to catch.
I got fish to catch.
There we go. We all caught fish.
Not as much as me.
Boy, I already caught 3 here.
3. I caught 6.
2 over there.
I caught times 2.
Let me see. I think I found them. What's up, Hoochie Mama? Over there, you see it? Straight over there. Get right there. And once you see that bobber just go down, or any sign of movement, you set that hook. You rip them lips, Bubba. You rip them lips, Hoochie Mama. You got one?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Don't let him get away. Don't let him get away. Ooh, bring him in. Bring him in. He caught him. Finally. Finally. Huh? Boy. He finally caught one on his own. He didn't get skunked. Put it down. He didn't get skunked. Hold him like that. You can break his. Hold him like that. There you go. Right. Hey, little kiss. A little kiss goodbye.
1,000 subscribers. 1,000.
Oh, 1,000. Okay.
1,000.
1,000 subscribers. And you'll give it 3 kisses. For right now, just 1.
Okay. There.
All right. Throw him back. It's nothing but little ones. Sorry guys, I already caught all the fish. I already caught all the fish. Ain't no more fish in here. Ooh.
That's a biggie. That's a biggie.
Let me see. He got that yellow bass. That's a yellow.
Can I see?
Nice.
That is so little. Dang.
It's a yellow bat.
That's a yellow. Give him a kiss, Hoochie Mama.
No.
For 1,000 likes. For 1,000 subscribers. 1,000.
Come on, Hoochie Mama.
Kissing those fish.
Yes, just do it.
All right, come on, let's go back. All right, I'm fixing to call it. Aiden, peace out. JD, say goodbye. It was a very slow day, right? But we still, hey, we still managed to catch some fish, right? So.
Oh, forgot.
So we're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it here and try another day, right? Hopefully we have better luck. No, tomorrow's grandma's birthday.
Oh.
But we're gonna give it another try another day and maybe we'll have better luck. All right, peace out, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button.
Yeah, we'll see you next time.
Bye.